Hello students of class 11 of biology book. Today we are going to discuss on the next phylum of kingdom Animalia, that is the recent phylum of the kingdom Animalia. This is phylum Ctenophora. Phylum Ctenophora. Students, the members of this group is also known as comb jellies. What is, students? The members of this phylum are commonly known as comb jellies or sea walnuts. Sea walnuts. Why they are called so? They are called so due to their body organization. Yes, students, due to their body organization, they are known to be the comb jellies and the sea walnuts because their body contains 8 plates. The plates are ciliated and well known for the process of locomotion. If we are going to discuss more about the phylum Ctenophora, then their general characteristics are members are marine, only found in sea water bodies or sea water. The members are radial symmetry, the members are radially symmetric or symmetrical. They have tissue level of body organization. Tissue level of body organization. Okay, students, they have tissue level of body organization and the members body are diploblastic. Members body is diploblastic. It means it only contains the well differentiating ectoderm and endoderm. Ectoderm and endoderm layer, the mesoderm layer is absent and on the place of mesoderm layer the mesoglial cells are present. That's why the members body is diploblastic. The members outer surface is covered by 8 ciliated plates create ciliated plates. These ciliated plates helps in the process of locomotion. Some of the members also poses the whip-like flagellum, for locomotion. Members are hermaphrodite. It means bisexual. Both gametes are secreted in the same animal species, and the process of reproduction is sexual. Sexual means of reproduction is found. Fertilization is external type, and the alternation of generation is found from the larval stage to the adult. Now students, we are going to discuss about some important characteristics of the Ctenophora. Students, earlier the Ctenophora are included in the class of the Coelenterata, but further, due to presence of bioluminescence organ and are only the marine habitat, they are further classified into the new phylum, that is the Ctenophora. This is the organ that emits light just like the fireflies. Yes students, they also emits the light inside from their body. That's why this organ is known as bioluminescence. How and what kind of the substances emits lights in their bioluminescence organ? This is the luciferase enzyme. Luciferase enzyme. This enzyme on the process of oxidation emits light with the formation of ATP, and ATP energy is also required to perform such type of function. So students, the peculiar characteristics of the Ctenophora is the presence of luminescence organ. It means that this is due to the presence of luciferase enzyme. We are going to take the example of the Ctenophora. Pleurobranchia. What is student? Pleurobranchia and Tecnoplana. and Technoplana are the two well described members of the phylum Catenophora. Now here I am going to draw the Pleurobranchia and Catenophora. It is just a ball-like in structure, at the mouth aperture and two branchial aperture. These branchial aperture are linked with one another. And from the branchial aperture, there is the origin of a flagellum like ciliated flagella like a whiplash type of flagella. This is whiplash like flagella. That helps in the process of locomotion to these animals. And now from here, the 8 plates that are called the comb plates originated from the central region of the body. These are the 8 plates that originated from the Pleurobranchia body. This is the mouth or stone, mouth aperture. The digestive system of the Catenophora is somewhat the incomplete type, ciliated flagella, and these are the comb plates. The another member of the phylum Catenophora is Catenoplana. There are 8 comb like structures are present in the central body of the members that are closely associated with the stomach. These are the tentacles. This is the stomach. The pigmented regions. The mouth, and this is the inner tentacles are internal tentacles. Comb jelly or comb plates. 8 comb plates are present, and this is the technoplana. Thus, students, these are the two representative member of the Cataloplana, Catalophora, the Cataloplana and Pleurobranchia. And students, in next video lecture, we are going to we will going to study about the next phylum of the kingdom Animalia. Thanks students for joining today's lecture.